Upgrading a memory in a server can significantly boost performance. And this 32GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM module is designed specifically for the Dell PowerEdge R360. It operates at a speedy 5,600 MHz, ensuring quick data access and improved overall system responsiveness. One of the key features of this RAM module is its ECC, or Error Correcting Code, functionality. This is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects errors that can occur during data processing, preventing crashes and ensuring reliable operation. However, it's important to note that the Dell PowerEdge R360 support for ECC memory depends on the CPU installed. Certain Intel Core i3 and i5 processors do not support ECC, so it's essential to check the user manual to confirm compatibility before purchasing. Mixing ECC and non-ECC memory is not recommended. This module is a 288-pin ECC unbuffered DMM with a voltage of 1.1 V. This ensures it meets the power requirements of the Dell PowerEdge R360 while maintaining stable performance. The module is also RoHS and halogen-free, adhering to environmental standards. Backed by a lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support, this memory module offers peace of mind. The warranty ensures that any potential issues will be addressed promptly, while the technical support provides assistance with installation and troubleshooting. Overall, this 32GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM module is a solid choice for upgrading the memory in a compatible Dell PowerEdge R360 server. Its high speed, ECC functionality, and comprehensive warranty make it a worthwhile investment for improving system performance and reliability. Just be sure to double-check CPU compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.